Our today's topic for discussion is vitamin C. In this lecture, we will discuss about the chemistry, absorption, function, deficiency, and the sources of vitamin C. So, coming to the chemistry. Vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin. Chemically, it is known as ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid is a hexose derivative and closely resembles monosaccharides in structure, hence also known as hexuronic acid. It exists in two forms, the L-ascorbic acid, which is reduced form, and the L-dehydroascorbic acid, which is oxidized form. The acidic property of the vitamin C is due to the enolic hydroxyl group, and it is easily oxidized by atmospheric oxygen to dehydroascorbic acid. High temperature, light and alkali promotes oxidation of ascorbic acid. Now coming to the absorption of vitamin C. Vitamin C is readily absorbed in the intestine by dependent active transport mechanism and reaches body tissues through circulation. Ascorbic acid enters cell like erythrocytes, leukocytes, etc. freely. What are the functions of vitamin C? Ascorbic acid acts as antioxidant. It is free radical scavenger. Since it is a strong reducing agent, it protects carotenes, vitamin E and other B vitamins of dietary origin from oxidation. It is required for the hydroxylation of proline and lysine residues of collagen. Since collagen is a component of ground substances of capillaries, bone and teeth, vitamin C is required for the proper bone and teeth formation also. It is required for the catecholamine synthesis from tyrosine. In the liver, bile acid synthesis requires ascorbic acid. Now coming to the deficiency of vitamin C. In adults, deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy, but it rarely occurs in the normal people. The symptoms of scurvy are hemorrhages in the various tissues, particularly in inside of thigh, calf and forearm muscles. It may be due to the capillary fragility. General weakness and anemia, swollen joints, swollen gums and loose tooth. Susceptible for infections. Delayed wound healing and bone fragility and osteoporosis. All of these are the symptoms of scurvy. Vitamin C deficiency in infants gives rise to infantile scurvy, and it occurs in the weaned infants who are fed on diets low in vitamin C. Now, what are the sources of vitamin C? Guava, coriander and amaranth leaves and cabbage are the resources. Fruits like lemon, orange, pineapple, papaya, mango and tomato are the good sources. Apples, bananas and grapes are the fair sources. So this is all about vitamin C. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you for your time.